How to enable and disable Bluetooth on Sony ZV-1. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable and disable Bluetooth on Sony ZV-1, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To enable and disable Bluetooth on Sony ZV-1 camera, all you have to do is simply go to the menu option that you can find over here. And once you go to the menu option, you should be able to see all the sorts of information where you can simply scroll to the network settings. So just keep scrolling and finding the network settings over here. So once you go to this network 1 and network 2 settings, here you can see Bluetooth settings under network 2. So once you go here, you can see Bluetooth function. You can turn it on or just completely turn it off. Depending on what you want, you can just do that, and you can go to pairing and search for a device that maybe you want to pair it to, and then you can go ahead and then pair it in that regard. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically enable or disable Bluetooth on Sony ZV-1. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.